Who has the hiccups? Raise your hand. I have rosy cheeks, though. Look at my cheeks.
What you do?
Who's Santa Claus? Who's Santa Claus?
You're so fucking loud. That like echoed off.
There's
all
4
of
people here, dude.
All of a sudden, you are a 21-year-old girl. Oh, honey. God, that's got such a smoke flavor to it.
Smoky.
Take a sip, plug your nose, plug your ears, and swallow.
Everybody watch, okay?
Put your phone down.
Stop talking.
You can't do it all with one hand. Hold it in your mouth. Plug your ears. No, both ears. And plug your nose. Then do this. Oh, you are such a loser.
Worked.
No, it's not.
Well done.